All right, so this is the 2018 Ford Fiesta, and we're getting rid of it. We bought it new, and well, there's one reason. Actually, that's the main reason. It's not a bad car. Like, it's a fun car to drive. It's little, but we're little people, so that's fine. It's a fun car to drive. It has backup camera. It has some things. It has like a voice thing. Like, you can say, like, you know, play track 3, and it'll play track 3 on the CD player, and that sort of thing. But it's got little things going wrong with it, like the volume on the radio or the stereo just goes up and down for no reason at all. The car got hit. We had damage repaired. The door back here, there's like a seal by the ledge that never sits right. They didn't install it properly, or they got the wrong one, or whatever. Just, you know, and then dealing with Ford, like, little things are starting to break after 5 years. Now, the warranty was 3 years, right? So we had that buzzing thing happen like after year 1. They fixed it. We had it happen right after year 3. Got it fixed, paid for it, and then it happened again. So, you know, obviously there's something in there called an actuator motor, which goes bad. It has these little plastic teeth that turns the flappers, the doors, to divert the air, you know, and inside your system. And they're telling us that there's one way down in there, and it might have to do with the heater core, and they might have to replace the heater core. So, like, I don't even want to take it back to the dealer, because I'm afraid if I put it in their hot little hands, they're going to try to find all kinds of things wrong with this. And they're going to try to charge us a couple $1,000s
for each one. There's